Otto Neurath was a philosopher, sociologist, and pioneer in visual communication whose ideas continue to inspire and motivate people today. His life and work encompass themes of resilience, adaptability, education, and collaboration. As a member of the Vienna Circle and the creator of ISOTYPE, International System of Typographic Picture Education, Neurath focused on simplifying complexity and making knowledge accessible to everyone. Through his multifaceted legacy, Neurath teaches us lessons that resonate far beyond academia. These lessons can help guide anyone seeking to navigate life's challenges, embrace change, and leave a meaningful impact on the world. 1. Embrace collaboration over isolation. One of Neurath's most famous metaphors is, "We are like sailors who must rebuild their ship on the open sea." This analogy illustrates the idea that life's challenges must be addressed collectively and continuously. There's no safe harbor where everything can be fixed in isolation. Neurath's work with the Vienna Circle, a group of intellectuals dedicated to logical empiricism, exemplifies this lesson. The group's collaborative efforts laid the foundation for many modern scientific and philosophical advancements. Why collaboration matters? Collaboration allows individuals to pool their strengths, overcome personal limitations, and achieve what might otherwise be impossible. Neurath understood that progress relies on collective effort and shared understanding. Life application. Teamwork is key. Whether in personal or professional settings, collaboration often leads to better outcomes. Embrace diverse perspectives and use collective knowledge to solve complex problems. Build relationships. Just as sailors rely on each other to navigate stormy seas, we rely on our communities to thrive. Invest in meaningful relationships that provide mutual support. Motivational insight. True success comes not from isolating yourself but from working with others to achieve shared goals. Collaboration fosters innovation, resilience, and a sense of belonging. 2. Simplify complexity. Neurath believed in making complex information accessible to everyone. His development of ISOTYPE was a groundbreaking step toward this goal. By using simple pictograms, Neurath transformed dense statistical data into visuals that could be easily understood by people from all walks of life. This approach highlights the power of clarity and simplicity in communication. The power of simplicity. Simplifying complexity is not about dumbing things down but about making them more approachable and actionable. Neurath's ISOTYPE showed that visual communication can transcend language barriers and improve understanding. Life application. Break it down. When faced with a daunting task or problem, divide it into smaller, manageable steps. Simplification leads to better focus and results. Communicate clearly. Whether presenting an idea at work or explaining something to a friend, aim for clarity. Avoid unnecessary jargon or complexity. Motivational insight. Life doesn't have to be complicated. By simplifying processes and focusing on what truly matters, we can navigate challenges with confidence and ease. 3. Adapt to change. Neurath's metaphor about rebuilding a ship while at sea also emphasizes adaptability. In his own life, Neurath faced significant upheavals, including fleeing Austria during World War II. Despite these challenges, he continued his work, adapting to new environments and circumstances. The need for adaptability. Life is dynamic and unpredictable. Neurath's ability to adapt to new realities shows us the importance of resilience and creativity in overcoming challenges. Life application. Be flexible. Life rarely goes as planned. Cultivate a mindset that embraces change as an opportunity for growth rather than a source of fear. Innovate on the fly. When confronted with unexpected challenges, think creatively to find solutions. Just like sailors at sea, we often have to work with the tools at hand. Motivational insight. Adaptability is one of life's greatest strengths. Embracing change with an open mind allows us to turn obstacles into stepping stones. 4. Education is empowerment. Neurath's dedication to creating accessible educational tools reflects his belief in the transformative power of knowledge. He viewed education as a means to empower individuals and foster societal progress. His ISOTYPE system was not just about data visualization, it was about giving people the tools to understand and make informed decisions. Knowledge as a catalyst. Education opens doors and provides the foundation for personal and societal growth. Neurath's emphasis on accessibility highlights the importance of democratizing knowledge. Life application. Never stop learning. Treat every experience as an opportunity to learn something new. Lifelong education enriches your life and expands your horizons. Share knowledge. Teaching others not only benefits them but also deepens your understanding. Empower those around you by sharing what you know. Motivational insight. Education is the key to unlocking potential. By continuously learning and sharing knowledge, we can empower ourselves and others to create a brighter future. 5. Think beyond borders. As an advocate for internationalism, Neurath worked to transcend cultural and linguistic boundaries. His visual language was designed to communicate across nations, promoting understanding and unity. This global perspective is a reminder to think beyond our immediate environment and consider the bigger picture. A global perspective. In a connected world, understanding and empathy across cultures are essential. Neurath's work reminds us of our shared humanity. Life application. Cultivate empathy. Seek to understand different cultures, perspectives, and experiences. Empathy fosters connection and reduces division. Act globally. Even small actions can have global impacts. Think about how your choices affect the broader world. Motivational insight. A global mindset helps us see the interconnectedness of humanity. By thinking beyond ourselves, we contribute to a more inclusive and compassionate world. 6. Persevere against adversity. Neurath's life was marked by significant challenges, from political persecution to personal hardships. Yet, he never let adversity derail his mission. Instead, he used these experiences to fuel his work, proving that resilience and determination can overcome even the toughest circumstances. Strength in struggles. Adversity tests our resolve but also reveals our inner strength. Neurath's perseverance is a powerful example of overcoming hardships with courage and focus. Life application. Stay focused. In difficult times, keep your goals in sight. Resilience is built by pushing through challenges with determination. Find strength in purpose. When you have a clear sense of purpose, it's easier to persevere through adversity. Let your mission guide you. Motivational insight. Hardships are inevitable, but they don't define us. How we respond to them does. With resilience and a strong sense of purpose, we can overcome anything. 7. Communicate for impact. Neurath's focus on effective communication highlights its importance in creating understanding and inspiring action. His ISOTYPE system is a testament to the power of visuals to convey complex ideas simply and memorably. The art of connection. Effective communication bridges gaps and fosters understanding. Neurath's work reminds us of the importance of making ideas accessible and impactful. Life application. Tailor your message. Consider your audience when communicating. Adapt your approach to ensure your message resonates. Use visual aids. Whenever possible, enhance your communication with visuals. A picture truly is worth 1,000 words. Motivational insight. Effective communication isn't just about talking, it's about connecting. When you communicate with clarity and purpose, you inspire others to act. 8. Find meaning in progress. Neurath's vision wasn't just about individual success but about contributing to societal progress. He believed in the power of collective action to improve the world and dedicated his life to making knowledge accessible for the greater good. Progress with purpose. True progress isn't measured by individual milestones but by the positive impact we have on others. Neurath's life encourages us to align personal goals with the greater good. Life application. Think big, set goals that go beyond personal achievement. Aim to make a positive impact on your community or the world. Contribute to society, find ways to give back, whether through volunteering, mentoring, or supporting causes you believe in. Motivational insight. A meaningful life is one that contributes to the well-being of others. By focusing on progress that benefits everyone, we create a legacy that endures. 9. Innovation requires courage. Neurath's work in developing ISOTYPE was innovative for its time and required stepping outside traditional methods of communication. He demonstrated that pushing boundaries often leads to groundbreaking achievements. The role of courage in creativity. Innovation comes from challenging the status quo and taking risks. Neurath's courage to experiment and innovate inspires us to think boldly. Life application. Take risks. Don't be afraid to try new approaches, even if they're unconventional. Growth often comes from stepping out of your comfort zone. Be open to failure. Innovation involves trial and error. Learn from setbacks and keep refining your ideas. Motivational insight. Great achievements come from bold ideas. Courage and a willingness to take risks are essential for turning dreams into reality. 10. Value practical wisdom. Neurath's philosophy emphasized practical application over abstract theory. He believed that knowledge should serve real-world purposes and improve people's lives. Bridging theory and practice. Wisdom isn't just about knowing, it's about doing. Neurath's work highlights the importance of translating ideas into actionable solutions. Life application. Focus on utility, prioritize actions and ideas that have practical benefits. Ask yourself how your efforts make a difference. Stay grounded, balance ambition with practicality. Keep your feet on the ground while aiming high. Motivational insight. Practical wisdom transforms knowledge into impact. By focusing on real-world applications, we can turn ideas into meaningful change. Conclusion. Otto Neurath's life and work offer a treasure trove of motivational lessons. His emphasis on collaboration, adaptability, education, global thinking, and innovation provides a roadmap for navigating life's complexities. Neurath's legacy reminds us that clarity, resilience, and a commitment to the greater good can help us achieve our goals and make a lasting impact. By applying these lessons, we can not only improve our own lives but also contribute to a better, more connected world. Otto Neurath's story is a testament to the power of vision, determination, and a relentless pursuit of progress.